Hello, I'm Dr. Michelle Jorgensen, Living Well with Dr. Michelle, and I am so excited for you to learn about my new book, Self-Sufficient Living. You know, this book is an interesting compilation of all the things I've been doing over a lot of years. And finally, I realized the time in the world is now for people to have this kind of information. You know, our world has thrown us a lot lately. There's been a lot of curveballs, a lot of things we didn't expect, a lot of things that were missing from our world that we were used to. And we really, I think, have learned that we can't depend on things to stay the same. So when things are not dependable, we have to become independent, or what I like to say, undependent. Basically not dependent on anyone else, not dependent on governments or supply chains or growers or things like that. We have to be able to provide for ourselves, to give ourselves that security that we want for our families for now and in the future. So I'm really excited about this book because I take you through 12 steps of becoming self-sufficient. Now, right now I'm outside my garden on this beautiful spring day, and you can see I've got my garden all planted for the spring. That's one of what I call the entry-level steps for self-sufficiency. I'll also show you in my greenhouse right now because it's going gangbusters in here. It's growing like crazy. That's another step, is how to grow year-round. And then you'll see my chicken coop over on this side. I got lots of chickens, lots going on over there. Backyard animals is another thing that I cover. These are all things in addition to how to make money on your homestead, how to make your own medicine, how to make all of your own supplies, whether it be healthcare, home care, beauty supplies, everything else. How do you make your own? Gardening, cooking your own food, preserving your own food. It's all covered because these are the things that if you know how to do them, you get security. Now, please join me for my book launch event. It's free. It's on April 21st at 7 p.m. You have to register because I need to know you're coming, but please register for that and get the book now. It's a 12-step guide, so for a limited time until the book launch, it's for $12. It's on Amazon. It's called Self-Sufficient Living by me, Dr. Michelle Jorgensen, and my family. They are all contributors this time, so please check it out. And I am so excited to be able to take this journey with you towards self-sufficiency. Again, this is Dr. Michelle Jorgensen, Living Well with Dr. Michelle.